Hi, and welcome back to HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. My name's Renee, I'm one of the owners of LCS, and this is my mom, Joyce. And she is joining me today because
I stopped over to see the grandpups today, and I thought the house was a little warm. So I called Renee and said, Renee, I think there's a problem.
Okay, so then I came home and I found that my mom was wearing the most hideous shirt that I've ever seen. So I had to put on something that complements it, makes it look a little nicer. And so we came out here because, let's be real, it's been really hot this summer. And so when Travis and all of our guys are working a billion hours, the houses that have maintenance performed last are our own. So welcome to the Lucas residence, and took us a minute to even find our heat pump over here because it's so overgrown. I guess I need to trim the bushes back a little bit too. So if we pull these bushes back, at first look, the heat pump actually looks really clean. And so I didn't think there was a problem, so I called my dad, Rick. Travis is on a roof right now. So I called Rick in. Most of you know him from doing maintenance at your house. And he came over and said, oh, it doesn't matter that it looks clean on the outside. We really need to see what it looks like on the inside. So we're gonna pull the panels off here in just a minute and take a look there. Okay, so Rick is getting ready to take the panel off. Again, you can see on the side here that it looks pretty clean. So let's take a look and see what it looks like on the inside. Yikes. Oh my. Okay, so here is our problem. As you can see, we are completely clogged up. There's a lot of debris, a lot of cottonwood. I can see individual pieces of cottonwood in there. From where our grass is mowed, there's grass clippings and everything. And so I would imagine that our problem is probably right here because the unit is so dirty, it restricts airflow and it can't breathe. And so it's not cooling the house like it should. So we are going to take a minute, and when I say we, I really mean my dad. Rick, welcome back to maintenance. And we're gonna clean out this and then we'll show you what it looks like in the end. So sit tight, we'll be right back. Okay, and we are back. And as you can see, the heat pump has been completely cleaned on this side. And wow, there's actually like lines that you can see. I don't know exactly what that is because I'm not technical, but all of that crap is off of it. And so now you can see that it can breathe a little bit better than what it could. And we'll do the other side here as well. So if you should choose to do this yourself at home, just please be careful and make sure power is off, as there is 230 volts running to this, and that will hurt if you mix water and electricity. So please just be careful. If you're not comfortable doing it, I'm certainly not, so that's why I had a professional do it. But make sure you call a professional. This is part of annual maintenance cleaning that HVAC companies offer, and it is really important. We do get asked if it's too late in the season, being that it's August, to have annual maintenance done, and as you can see, it's really not. It's warm out here today. We still have our air conditioners on, and I would bet we'll be running them still until mid-September or so. So if you've not had yours done yet, give us a call or give the HVAC company a call that you work with and make sure you get that scheduled and get that done. So until next time, a little selfie from all of us. Thank you for joining us on HVAC Talk, Let's Be Real. We'll see you next week. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
And go blue.